It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 8. Here is the number 8. Can you say it? Number 8. Let's say it one more time. Number 8. Count with me to make the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Here we have 8 blocks. Let's see the other ways that 8 can be represented. We have 8 fingers. Here is 8 on a 10 frame. We have 8 on a dice. Eight on a number line. Here is 8 on a domino. 8 on a unicorn. We have 8 in word. Fantastic job identifying number 8 in different ways. Let's practice to write the number 8. Start from the top, make a curve down, another curve to the back, then you take it up again and back to the point. Well done writing the number 8. Now let's see if you can find number 8 in this picture. We have number 8 on the couch. Number 8 in front of the bookshelf. And number 8 on the wall. Good job. Keep practicing to identify number 8 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.